Kiwi dollar daily forecast January 6, FXEmpire.com. The Kiwi dollar fell on Thursday as traders sold off riskier assets. News coming out of Europe was poor in some ways and better in others. However, one has to wonder how much longer the market is willing to play this game with Europe. They need to get it together or implode completely. The markets almost seem to be saying, let's get this over with. The pair had reached the start of resistance at the 79 level previously during the Wednesday session. But having said that, we suggested that a pullback was coming as we see this area as extremely resistive. The gap from November still hasn't been filled, and we are wondering how long it's going to take, as that's pretty rare in the forex markets. The 79 to 80 level we see as resistance, and the 74 to 75 level we see as support. Quite frankly, with all the noise out there and the trouble and the back and forth of the commodity markets that we expect, we think that this pair remains range bound in this section of the chart, at least going forward for the short to intermediate term. 80 will definitely signal, if we can get a daily close above it, newfound bullishness in the Kiwi dollar, and of course a breakdown below the gap on a daily close would be absolutely horrific for the uptrend. So in the meantime, all we can do is play it as a range bound market. With the non-farm payroll number coming out later today, and this pair being so sensitive to risk allocation, we expect this pair to be relatively quiet until that announcement comes out, which is expected to be at 100,052 jobs added. If the number is very poor, we will not hesitate to sell the New Zealand dollar. It should, at that point in time, fall apart as money runs to U.S. Treasuries. If we get a number under 120,000 or so, we would go ahead and short this, expecting to see the gap filled. Otherwise, we're going to wait till the end of the day and see what that suggests to us, as we are sitting currently on a cluster of support and resistance, which, although being tested and closing at the bottom of the range for the day, has not been broken through.